Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions, one hilarious comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On our left, we have the ELEGOO Mars 4, and on our right, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the moolah. The ELEGOO Mars 4 comes in at a wallet-friendly $249, while the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is a bit pricier at $279. So if you want to save some bucks, ELEGOO is your go-to. But hey, what's $30 between friends, right? Maybe you can skip a few lattes this week. Now, let's talk speed. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers, boasting a max speed of 250 millimeters per second. That's more than 65% faster than your average Joe printer. The ELEGOO Mars 4, on the other hand, is like your grandma's knitting pace. Reliable, but not breaking any records. So if you're in a hurry, Kobra's your guy. Just don't let ELEGOO hear this, it might get a complex. Next up, build volume. The ELEGOO Mars 4 offers a decent space of 153.36 x 77.76 x 175 cubic millimeters. It's like having a cozy apartment in the city. Compact, but enough for your needs. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo doesn't specify its size here, but considering its speed, it probably has room for a lot of action. Think of it as a penthouse with a view. Now, let's get into the cool stuff. The ELEGOO Mars 4 has a 7-inch 9K Mono LCD, which is like having a retina display for your models. Plus, it has a laser-carved build plate for that extra grip, just like a cat on a scratching post. Meanwhile, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo features a new integrated extruder and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. It's like having a turbocharged car engine under the hood. And did I mention the ELEGOO 2.0 automatic leveling? It practically levels itself while you sip your coffee. ELEGOO Mars 4 caters to beginners with a user-friendly UI and a 3.5-inch touchscreen. It's like using a Fisher-Price toy, simple and straightforward. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo, on the other hand, has linear propulsion and input shaping functions in Marlin firmware. Sounds fancy, right? Even novices can produce high-quality prints. So, if you're a newbie, either one will hold your hand through the process, but Kobra might give you a bit more of a thrill. Lastly, let's talk customer support. ELEGOO promises to respond within 24 business hours. It's like having a pen pal who actually writes back. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo offers a 1-year service with the print head and heated bed covered for a few months. Plus, lifetime technical support. It's like having a techie best friend who's always there for you. So if you want a long-term relationship, Kobra's got your back. Reviewers have shared their experiences with both printers. They find the ELEGOO Mars 4 to be great for beginners with its ease of setup and impressive print quality, though there are concerns about the durability of its components. On the other hand, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its speed, ease of assembly, and features like the self-leveling bed. However, some users noted that achieving high-quality prints may require some tweaking. All right, smart buyers, it's decision time. Do you go with the budget-friendly ELEGOO Mars 4 with its cozy build volume and retina-like display? Or do you splurge a bit on the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo for its turbo speed and lifelong support? Let us know in the comments below which one you think takes the crown. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our hilarious yet informative comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.